we're going to do the cookie challenge.
All right, you ready?
We're going to put the head onto...
The cookie onto the head, and we have to get it into our mouth
and we have
without
one
touching
try.
with our fingers. Okay, you ready? Jude, start right here. Let's see who can do it first. Go.
I just fell down.
Oh! Oh, I didn't get it.
You gotta try it again, Dada.
I can't do it.
Got it! I got it!
I'm still a winner.
My hair's in the way. What did we decide? I'm just saying it. I can't.
He's just gonna give up on the challenge and eat the cookie. Everybody's a winner.